Little ones, welcome back. Hmm, so what shall we discuss today? Yes, I have an idea. Let's discuss about cleanliness. So, what is this cleanliness all about? It is the state or quality of being clean or being kept clean. There's a famous proverb, cleanliness is next to godliness. Now, let's look at places where you must maintain cleanliness. Starting with the surroundings, it includes your parks, public places, etc. When you go for shopping, always carry a bag. Invest money in reusable things. Bring your own cup. Refuse things which can be used only once. Avoid products with microbeads. Shop in bulk as it helps you to save your energy and time. Make sure to have a proper waste disposal system. Then compost, which means using your kitchen waste as a manure for plants. Clean and green makes perfect scene. Next, in classrooms, we all know that school is a place from where we all learn new things. Hence, it should be clean. So, do not litter paper around. Chalks or any other things should be kept in a place. Throw paper and other waste in dustbin only. Arrange table, chairs, duster, etc. in appropriate order and maintain the classroom decorum. Take care of school property. Do not write on school walls. Sharp your pencil over the dustbin. And when we talk about home, kids, there are variety of things you can do. Clean your floor, mop it, water the plants, wash your utensils, etc. Kids, keep your city clean and green for the future generation to be seen. Now, an important session, it's about personal hygiene. I am pretty sure that you all are following these personal hygiene steps, which include oral hygiene, bathing, washing hands, food care, grooming your hair and nails, toileting hygiene, clothes hygiene, etc. Even when you sneeze or cough, you need to cover your mouth in order to prevent germs and infections. Now, why is this cleanliness important? Firstly, it increases self-respect and confidence. Respect and morality also. Mental and physical health improves. Academic performance improves. It expresses discipline and punctuality. More success and goals can be achieved. Kids, cleanliness helps boost good character by keeping body, mind and soul clean and peaceful. It's essential as it grooms our personality not only externally but internally as well. Now, in this pandemic situation, one of the most important measure is cleaning or washing your hands. So now, are you all ready? Let's watch.
We must keep our body clean for good health. Cleanliness prevents diseases and makes us feel fresh. Now let's see some good habits for a healthy body. 1. Do not oversleep. Get up early in the morning. 2. Go to the toilet. Flush the toilet after use. Wash your hands and feet with soap. Splash cool water on your eyes. Remove the dirt from the corner of your eyes. 3. Brush your teeth and rinse your mouth well. Clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner. Brush your teeth twice a day. Once in the morning and once at night. 4. Take a bath every day with soap and water. Wash your hair too. Girls with long hair should wash their hair at least once a week. 5. Use a clean towel to wipe your body and hair dry. Comb your hair neatly. 6. Always wear clean and tidy clothes. See to it that your clothes do not get dirty. Always carry a clean handkerchief. 7. Do not put your fingers in your mouth or bite your nails, as the dirt collected below the nails will enter your stomach. Then you will fall ill. Nails should be cut at least once a week. 8. Clean your ears.
Kids, cleanliness thus is very important. I hope you all will take care of the mentioned points and be clean in all ways. So that's all for today. Bye. Take care. Thank you.